For single women, there's constant pressure about when you're going to get married. And once you're married, the real pressure actually begins there. About when you're going to have kids, when you're going to start a family. Your friends, your family are constantly popping that maternity question. And this is exactly what happened with Mona Singh. Mona Singh, remember the lady from Jaisi Jaisi Koi Nahi? So Mona got married last year and has now surprised everyone with her statement on having kids there. Mona says that she's in no hurry to have a baby as she has frozen her eggs at the age of 34. Mona said that she loved traveling extensively and she wanted to explore the world with her husband. And speaking about motherhood, she said she loves kids, no doubt, but she wasn't really mentally prepared to have a child as yet. And now this has quite naturally triggered all that buzz on social media platforms about Mona's decision on when she wanted to have kids and of course about the unexplored areas of freezing eggs. So what is this freezing of eggs all about? Egg freezing is basically called mature oocyte cryopreservation in medical terms and is a method used to save women's ability to get pregnant in the future. Eggs are harvested from your ovaries and are then frozen, unfertilized and stored for later use. A frozen egg can be combined with a sperm in a lab and then implanted in your uterus for you to be pregnant whenever you wish to, and this is called in vitro fertilization. Now let's understand how this really works. Basically, if you are someone who wants to get pregnant but for whatever reason do not want to have a child as of yet right now, but you do want to solidify your chances of getting pregnant later, that's when you can think of freezing your eggs. One might consider freezing eggs if maybe you have a condition or a circumstance that can affect your fertility, and this might include sickle cell anemia, autoimmune diseases such as lupus. You need treatment for cancer or another illness and that can affect your ability to get pregnant, or you're undergoing in vitro fertilization, and when undergoing in vitro fertilization some people prefer egg freezing to embryo freezing for various reasons there. Or even that you wish to preserve younger eggs now for further use. Freezing eggs at a younger age might help you get pregnant when you're really ready to. In case of Mona, she said that when she did decide to freeze her eggs, she took her mother along with her and went straight to the gynecologist to make a decision on that. And it's not just Mona, there are several other stars who've opened up about freezing eggs. Recently, Hollywood actor Emma Roberts spoke about how she decided to freeze her eggs, revealing her ordeal there with endometriosis, a condition where tissue similar to the lining of the womb grows in other places like the fallopian tubes. Actor Emma Roberts there said that she was forced to freeze her eggs prior to getting pregnant. Emma says it was in her late 20s when she switched to a female doctor, and after she was diagnosed with endometriosis that she finally decided to freeze her eggs. Freezing your eggs is a viable option if you do want to embrace motherhood, but at your own time and your own pace. But remember, this is a process. There are a couple of things to calculate and remember before actually going into this. Got to consult with a proper doctor and a gynecologist, and you might want to have an insurance at hand because this could be quite expensive.